Hello, in this video we show how to plot heat map in Python. So heat map is generated with a 2D arrays of numbers. So this number if have high values, then in the map the plot will have hot colors, warm colors. And if the value is low, then the place will be plotted with the colder colors. So in Python, with the Matplotlib package, we can use imshow function. So next we go to Python, and this is the source file. We will show you later how to download this source file. So we go to the place for heat map. So first we import numpy package and matplotlib.pyplot package. So these modules are plotted. Then we create 2D array from numpy. You can see this is a 2D array created 10 by 10. Then we can use plot.imshow my map. Then we set the color bar and show. So this is the result of this plot. You can see on the right side there is a color bar from the warm color at the top to the cold color in the bottom. So you can explicitly find areas where have higher value or where have lower value from this heat map. And you can also download the source file, this source file from this link. So actually this is our website for Python and R training, rdatacode.com. And this is our donation link. If you want to help us make a video, do me a favor for buying a coffee. Thank you.